Going down Plum Rick Road. See the pond to the left of the rocks. Not normally there, by the wood pile. And now I'm on Plum Rick Road. I am up to my knees in water. Up to my ankles. The river is raging. Coming up to the cross-country trail. I am at the cross-country trail. And here it is. I am up to my ankles. Back up to my knees. Baby elephant rock right here. Getting hit by debris as I'm walking. And up there, you can't tell the difference between the river and the trail. Here is the river and trail combined. There's the river, trail.